Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to create a portal user and how to assign portal user as an employee, and then how to assign a portal user employee to the project and tasks, and how he can access the projects from portal side, how we can access task from portal side, and also the portal user as an employee can fill the timesheets and can see also from portal side. So we will see how all this process can be. So first of all, let's say we will go to context and I will create a normal content. Let's say test and test at the rate gmail.com, and I will save, and then from here grant portal access. We will allow this contact to create a portal user and allow as a portal accessibility. So I just did. So now this context become users. If we can see here users and here portal, then you can see now we will create a employee uh, for this portal user, because from recent version 1918 they are allowing to set like portal user as an employee. So we will creating a employee, going to settings, and here we can select this test, right, and we'll save. So now portal user become employee, right, because this is useful for some company or some case where some company hires like external user for their work. So they are like allowing some specific periods of work, and they don't want to allow internal user related functionality backend access. So for that case this functionality is very useful. So now this becomes employee, and now we go to the projects. Here we can see these projects. Now we will see how we can set the accessibility of projects. So if we go to project settings, we can go from here project setting. Also we can as a admin side, we can click on configuration projects, and here also we can see here in settings we can see visibility invited internal user. It means only this project accessible only by the invited internal user. If we click here and then we can invite, right, and then here invited internal user and portal user. It means internal user can also access and portal user. So we can share this project from here. We can share to the specific user. Here all internal user, and this one is all internal user and invited portal user. So I click on this. Let's say I invite to the portal user this one, and you can see here read edit limited, right, this kind of access. So first of all I will just give read and share. So make sure when you share or when you manually add specific user, then that user must follower of the project. So by sharing this project, this test user automatically added as a follower. So now the test user can access this project from portal side, right. Now if you go to the tasks of this project, you can see here in task it's already we have this kind of followers and here. So let's say how we can add here. So here let's say this is what employee assigned to this task. So here we cannot add employee portal user or portal employee to this task, but we can add a follower, right. So let's say we'll add. So this portal user can see this task in portal side, but this is not actually the employee assigned to this task, because currently Odoo only allowed internal user as assignee to this task. And also uh, portal user can fill the timesheet. Let's say we can create the task one timesheet something, and let's say 2 hours, right? So this is now, this is working, right? Now how we can access this from portal side? Let's say first of all we'll go here, and for this task let's say I will set temporary password. And if I log out and log in, let's see, this is portal user, right? The employee one. And now we can see here projects, task, right? So if we click on project, you can see I can access these projects in that I have assigned, right? So I can see in this project we have task one. If we add like details, other like description, then it will visible here in uh, project. And if we go to tasks here and click, you can see in this task I can access, I can communicate, right? So I can access this specific task also. And let's say I can also see the timesheets, because this is created from backend, but this is for this assigned like this login the user. So I can see the timesheet of specific my account, right? So in this way, how we can create a portal user, how we can assign a portal user as an employee, and how we can access project visibility to portal user, task visibility to portal user, timesheets how we can create, right? And how we can access all this from portal side. I hope this video will helpful to you. I think the main challenging currently right now is we cannot assign official like portal user to the task, because right now it's not allowing in the task we can like add a portal user to assignee. Let's say here we can only assign like internal user, right? We cannot like assign portal employee or users here. So but we can add as a follower, then we can access from portal side, we can add a timesheet. So all this working right now. Okay, thank you very much.